Good afternoon, everybody. Dear student, today also I am ready here to teach you science, and in science in chemistry topic unit 8 I am going to teach valency and molecular formula. So, in previous class we have already studied about the element and the symbol. So, I hope you have understood the previous class, and now we begin from the topic atomic number. Okay. So, last time we have already studied about the symbol, and now today we start with the atomic number. So, atomic number. So, last time we have already studied that an atom is composed of 3 subatomic particles, that is neutron, proton and electron, and we have also discussed about the where is the location of neutron and proton and where is electron lies. And there we have studied that an atom is composed of nucleus and around it orbit are there, in which electron, negatively charged electron revolves, okay, and at the center of an atom, that is nucleus, there lies proton P plus and neutron N naught or N 0, isn't it? So, this we have already studied in previous class. Now, atom is the smallest particle of an element, and the number of atom is different in different element, and like that way the number of electron present in an atom differs from the atom of different element. Some element may have small number of electron, less number of electron, and some may have more in number. So, and we have studied that electron are arranged in a cell around the nucleus of an atom. So, like hydrogen, the smallest element known, having electron number 1, that is having only one electron in it as well as one proton. Last time I have told you hydrogen is the element which do not possesses neutron, it does not possess neutron. So, like that way there are many elements which have higher number of electron in them. So, first of all we will see what are the different elements that we have to study in our course in class 9. So, here we can see there are different element, atomic number and atomic mass. I have given in the, I have written there, that is hydrogen 1 atomic number 1, like that helium, that symbol we have discussed yesterday. Hydrogen is H represent the what? It represent the element hydrogen, that is atomic symbol is H. So, now atomic number is very much important to know to all of you, because if you know the atomic number of an element, you can easily do the electronic configuration that we will study soon, and after that valency, how molecular formula is formed, about that we have to study. So, first of all we should remember what is the atomic number of different element. Okay. So, we have to know atomic number. So, by knowing the atomic number only we can know very other characteristic of the element when they undergo chemical reaction and other things. So, first of all we will define what is atomic number. Okay. First of all what we do? We will define atomic number. So, atomic number can be defined as the number of proton or electron present in an electrically neutral atom. Okay. So, the number of proton or electron present in an electrically neutral atom is known as the atomic number. How much number of electron or how much number of proton is found in an atom is known as its what? Atomic number. And atomic number is denoted by, it is denoted or represented by a symbol denoted by capital Z letter. So, how it is written? It is written as Z. Okay. It is denoted by symbol Z. And what happened from mathematically, what we can say? Mathematically, we can write atomic number as number of proton or equal to number of electron. Okay. So, in an atom, number of proton and number of electron are equal, and their number gives us the atomic number. Okay. So, that means we can write atomic number as Z is equal to number of proton, that is represented by P plus, is equal to number of electron, that is E minus. So, here we have to think that proton which is found in the nucleus of an atom, okay, whereas electron lies around the orbit or a shell which where it revolves, and during chemical reaction this is the electron which is given or taken by the an atom during the chemical reaction. But this proton, the proton which lies at the nucleus forming the nuclear charge, remain in the nucleus of an atom. So, in general what we can say, the number of proton is giving us the atomic number of element in electrically neutral atom. Okay. Sometime what happen during the chemical reaction, electron can be donated, due to which the number of electron may vary while it is forming the bond or the compound with other element. Okay. So, we can see in the slide short what we have discussed here. So, please slide. So, here we can write from the slide, okay, the atomic number, whatever I have written there in the board, same thing is given. So, here you can write properly the number of electron or proton present in an electrically neutral atom of an element is called atomic number, and how it is denoted by Z. Okay. So, atomic number is very important. Okay. Atomic number, why I am focusing it is atomic number determines the chemical characteristic of an element. So, whatever the chemical property it will possess, that is due to the number of atomic number of proton or electron present in atom determines. So, in mathematically what we can write, atomic number is equal to the number of proton, that is positively charged, equal to the number of electron present in atom, that is Z is equal to P plus equal to E minus. Okay. So, now we have studied about the atomic number. Okay. Now, focus on the board. Now, first we completed. Now, next term that we will study is atomic weight. Okay. Atomic weight. So, next topic, atomic weight. So, here we have studied in the nucleus of an atom there lies proton, positively charged, and neutron, isn't it? So, the definition by the term itself, what is saying? Atomic weight. What is the weight of the atom? It means the sum of the weight of or the mass of proton, neutron and electron, it should be the sum of proton, neutron and electron, it should give up the mass of the atom. But in actual, what is the definition or what is the formula is that the sum of the number of proton and the neutron in an atom is called its atomic weight or sometimes atomic mass. So, atomic weight is the sum of the number of proton and the neutron in an atom is called its atomic weight, and we already know neutron and proton lies at the nucleus. So, mass of the nucleus of an atom gives us the atomic weight. So, here in this definition we do not have electron. Why it is so? It is because, as we have already discussed yesterday, that the mass of electron is very less as compared to the mass of proton and neutron. So, regarding that, by considering that the electrons being the electrons mass is very less, we neglect or it is negligible to take the mass of electron to calculate the over total or the net weight of the atoms. So, atomic weight is the sum of what? Proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. So, it is denoted by capital term A. So, symbol by which it is written in chemical language or chemistry language is A, and mathematically we can represent we can write the atomic weight as atomic weight is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Okay, that is A. That is symbol of atomic weight is number of proton, that is P plus, and number of neutron, that is N0. So, here what we can say that atomic weight of an element is given by the formula number of proton plus number of neutron, that is A equal to P plus and N naught. So, it is the sum of the number of proton and number of neutron, and I have already told why electron mass is neglected there, being very less. Okay. So, see the slide, you can write from the slide. So, atomic weight you can write atomic weight is defined as the sum of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom is called atomic number. It determines the mass of atom. It is denoted by A, and atomic number also determines the chemical characteristic of an element, or as well as atomic weight also responsible for it. So, now mathematically what we can say, atomic weight equal to number of proton P plus and number of electron. So, note there the weight of electron is negligible as compared to the weight of proton or neutron. So, while taking atomic weight, number of electron or the mass of electron, okay, you can say the mass of electron or number of electron is not taken in count. Okay. So, there you have seen correctly, and you can write from there, and now focus to the board. So, till now we have covered atomic number and atomic weight. These are very much important for our study in chemistry. These are the basic things by which we will learn further or understand more properly chemistry. So, now in an atom we have already told that there is presence of proton, neutron and electron. So, if we know the atomic weight of an element, we can easily find. If we know atomic number and atomic mass, we can know or determine the number of proton, number of electron and number of proton, electron and neutron present in an atom. So, it can be demonstrated as by an example. Suppose we take the element sodium. Okay. Sodium, we have already studied sodium is represented by Na. Okay. Sodium, it is Latin name is natrium, and sodium has atomic number 11. What is the atomic number of sodium? 11. So, what does it mean? What does it mean if we say atomic number of sodium is 11? So, what does it mean? Okay. So, here when we say the atomic number of sodium is 11, it reflects that in the atom of sodium there are number of proton is 11. Okay. Number of proton is how much? 11. Okay. And similarly, the number of electron is also 11. So, by the definition, what we have studied, the number of proton or the number of electron present in an atom is known as its atomic number. So, wherever we study the different atomic number given to you, so you have to understand, you have to think that what is given to you, it is indirectly you are given the number of proton or electron present in an atom. Okay. So, now suppose you are provided with two terms, that is atomic number and atomic mass is given to you in some numerical, it is there in your book also. Suppose it's same example I will take. The question is the atomic weight of sodium is 23. Okay. The atomic weight of sodium is 23 and its atomic number is 11. Then calculate or find the number of proton, electron and neutron. Okay. This is the question. Okay. Calculate the atomic weight is here. What is given to us? Sodium. Atomic weight is given. Similarly, atomic number is provided to us, and what we have to find? We have to find the number of proton, number of electron and number of neutron. Okay. Now, here what we can write, what is given to us? Here what is given to us? The atomic number is given. So, atomic number, in what we write the symbol, we write it as Z. Atomic number Z, it is given to us 11. Atomic weight is given to us, that is A, it is given to us 23. Now, what we have to find? We have to find number of proton, what number of electron, what number of what neutron equal to what. Okay, this we have to find. Now we will use that formula of atomic weight and we will calculate its value. So you can see here, you can write here atomic weight. Before atomic weight we find atomic number. Atomic number is equal to number of proton and which is equal to number of electron. So atomic number is given to us. What is that? It is 11. So that implies that it is number of proton is also how much? 11. Okay. Similarly what we can say, number of electron is also 11, as we know number of electron and proton is same. So we have found the number of electron and proton. Now what is the number of neutron in the atom nucleus of sodium? So atomic weight is given as proton, number of proton plus number of neutron. In short I am writing. So atomic weight is given to us 23. So 23 proton, that is how much present? Proton we have found here 11 and neutron number we have to find. Okay. So if you this solve it, what we will get? 12. Okay. Neutron is 12. How much neutron is found? That is 12 neutron is found in case of what? Sodium. Okay. So neutron 12, proton how much? 11. It constitute together 23 number. Okay. 23 atomic weight 23. So in this way we can calculate the number of proton, electron and neutron if you know the atomic weight and the atomic number. Okay. Now we will see some element according to their atomic number and atomic mass. Look at here. So hydrogen atomic number is 1, atomic mass is 1, helium 2, atomic mass is 4. Now here what we can apply, for example, if you know the atomic number which you may have studied in lower classes, like hydrogen having atomic number 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, like that you have already studied up to element 20. So that is enough for us in up to the class 9. So like that you have known magnesium 12, aluminum 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19, calcium 20. So these are the atomic number that you have to learn and memorize it also. So you have learnt, I hope. So to know the atomic mass, sometime we can use some trick also. Though the atomic number which it is written here may not be exactly same. So we have written in some atomic number, atomic mass may be slightly in decimals also, but atomic mass, by knowing the atomic number also we can predict also. For instance, except hydrogen, all the element whose atomic number is odd, their atomic mass will be the double of the atomic number plus 1, double the atomic number plus 1. So like that, except some element they will not follow odd number, whereas if the atomic number is even, then just we double the number of electron, that will give us, or double the number of atomic number, it will give us the atomic mass. Okay. For example, if you look here, except hydrogen, here helium its atomic number is how much? 2. So, it is a even number. So, its mass will be double, that is 4. Lithium atomic number is 3, which is odd number, its double is 6. If you add 1 there, it is 7. Okay. So, like that, if you see all the element its atomic number, if even number, that means double atom number double, if you do, it will give the atomic mass, and if the odd number atom is there. So, if you apply only double plus 1, if you add that, then it will give us the atomic mass. But there are some exception also, like in case of hydrogen, which we have already discussed, it has only proton, not the neutron. So, due to which its atomic mass is only 1. Now, like nitrogen, its odd number 7, that is atomic number is 7, which is odd, but it is 14. Similarly, there is another element which argon, which do not follow this trick, that is argon, atomic number is 18 and its atomic mass is 40. Being even number, it should be double, but it is not following that rule, that trick, I can say that it is 40. But other than that, they may follow this simple rule, but you have to remember that atomic mass is sometime in exact there is in decimals too. Okay. For time being, we are studying this much. Okay. So, element, atomic number, atomic mass. So, just now we have studied about it. Okay. So, this much you have to remember for next class also. If you know the atomic number, if you know the atomic mass, then we have to study next topic, electronic configuration. It will make us very easy if you remember the atomic number. So, I will introduce the electronic configuration today. So, electronic configuration. Okay. Okay, please look at the slide. Please look at the slide. So, electronic configuration means the systematic distribution of electron in different cell of an atom is called electronic configuration. What is that? The systematic method by which how many number of electron that can be arranged in different cell of an atom. Okay. So, that process by which we are distributing the electron in various cell is called electronic configuration. Okay. Now, as we know that electron revolve around the nucleus in the cell, and the cell are what? They are the path in which electron revolve. The number of cell makes up the energy level. So, there it is written cell, please correct it, it is energy level. So, how many number of the cells are around the nucleus of an atom, it gives energy level. Okay. The cell or the energy level ranges from 1 to 7. Okay. There are different number of cells, that cells may vary from 1 to 7, and the cell which lies at nearest to the nucleus is assigned with 1, and in that way next will be 2, next will be 3, like that, in which the number is given to them. So, similarly, their naming is also given as K, L, M, N, O, P, like in that way. So, the nearest one is given K, after that L, after that M, and N, and so on. Okay. So, according to the arrangement or the nearest distance from the nucleus, the capacity to accommodate number of electron varies along the cell. Okay. It varies along the cell. So, you can write from there what is electronic configuration and what are the cells and how many cells are there and how many electron that we can arrange in it. Okay. So, now look at here again, what is electronic configuration. So, we have studied what is electronic configuration, that is arrangement of the electron in various cell, because different element have different number of electron, and the electron revolve around the nucleus, and in any manner we cannot place them Okay, we cannot place them in any manner as we like. Okay, there is a rule. So, around the nucleus, the cell which at the first, it is the, suppose it is the nucleus, and the cell which is nearest to it, it is assigned with the K. Okay, it is called K cell. It is called K cell, and another cell which lies after that, which we can say second cell, it is L cell, we can say. So, in that way we can increase the number of cell, okay, according to the number of electron found in an element. So, here it is 1, it is 2. First number, it is nearest to the nucleus, second number, second after 1, 2, like that. In that way we give name and number to the cell. So, in today's class we have described about the atomic number, atomic mass, electronic configuration, and how to know or memorize the atomic number and atomic mass. And I hope all of you have learned the atomic number at least up to element 20. It is must for all of us to know all these elements along with their atomic number and atomic mass, and I hope you already know the symbol also. So, because I am giving more emphasis here in atomic number, because tomorrow when we do electronic configuration of various element on the basis of cell or subcell, we should remember the value of atomic number. Okay? So, tomorrow please learn the atomic number of various element along with its atomic mass, so that it will be easier to understand the electronic configuration in various cell and subcell. Okay? So, this much for today. Thank you.